and we're going to be making subtraction number sentences. So when we subtract, there's a bunch of ways we can do it. We can grab the 7, count backwards 1, 7, 6. That's what we were doing last week. Or we can count from the 2 to the 7. But remember, when the number is small, it's easier to count backwards. So 7, 6, 5. 7, 6, 5, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. But when this number gets big, sometimes it's easier to count forwards. So you start at the 5 and you count till you get to the 7. 5, 6, 7. And then you had 5, 6, 7, 2 fingers up. Hopefully you also see a pattern here. As these numbers get bigger, these numbers get smaller. But what you have to be able to do eventually is see that these guys are number families. So you can figure out which number goes here. 7 take away what number equals 3? Well, you can figure it out if you start at the 7 and count backwards 3. So grab the 7, count backwards 3. 7, 6, 5, 4. You got the number 4. Or you can start at the 3 and count up to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you should have 4 fingers up. Lots of ways we can find it. And it doesn't really matter which way you find it, as long as you find it. 8, take away 2. Well, we can take away 2. 8, take away what number equals 2? Well, did we talk about number families? 8, 2, and 6 are a family. They go together. If you know that this one is 2, you should know that this one is 6. But if you don't know, you can do it exactly the same way. We know this number, 2, so it's 8, take away 2, 8, 7, 6. You have 6 as the other number. You can count from the 2 to the 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you should have 6 fingers sticking up. Or you should know that these 3 numbers go together. 8 take away 6. You can make circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 left over. Or we can count from the 6 to the 8. Grab the 6. 6, 7, 8. 2 fingers sticking up. We could start at the 8. Count backwards 6. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Lots of ways you can find the answer. Start at the 6. Count up to the 8. 6, 7, 8. 2 fingers standing up. You can know that it's a number family. 8, 2, and 6, they go together. 8. 8. They all go together. Now, 4 children are at the park. We know that 4 kids are at the park. How do we know this number? You can take 6, count backwards 4, or you can take the 4, count forwards to the 6. So you can grab the 6, count backwards 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Or grab the 4, count till you get to the 6. 4, 5, 6. 2 fingers up. You need your dry erase board. Probably want to pause me. You need your dry erase board. You're going to make number sentences with me. 10 fish are under a rock. Some fish swim away. Now 6 fish are under the rock. So make your number sentence. 10 fish are under a rock. 10 fish are under a rock. Some fish swim away. So you get fewer of them, but we don't know how many, so we need a box. Some. Now 6 fish are under the rock. Ten take away what number equals 6? You can take the 10, count 6 backwards, or grab the 6. You should know 4 and 6 make 10 because we've practiced that. Okay, make your number sentence. 8 children are standing. Some, you need to make a box. We know that 8 children are standing. Some children sat down. Now 5 are standing. How do you figure this out? You can grab the 8, count backwards 5. Or you can grab the 5, count forwards till you get to the 8. 5 is pretty close to the 8, and counting forward is easier. So I'm going to grab the 5, count till I get to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 3 fingers standing up. 8 take away 3 equals 5. There are 12 balloons. Some balloons pop. Now there are 7 balloons. How many balloons popped? Make your number sentence. There are 12 balloons. Some, so you need to make a box. Some balloons pop, so you get fewer of them. So we need takeaway. Now there are 7 balloons. So you can grab the 12, count backwards 7, but that's harder. So grab the 7, count up to 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 5 fingers up. 7, 12 take away 5 equals 7. See if you can do the number sentence without me. 6 children are sleeping. Some children wake up. Now 4 children are sleeping. How many children woke up? 6 children are sleeping. Some children woke up. 4 children are sleeping. So grab the 6, count backwards 4. Grab the 4, count up to the 6. Both ways you should get 6 take away 2 equals 4. Kyle finds 8 seashells. He gives away some. Now he has 4. How many seashells does he give away? Grade 1, you should know that this is a double. 8 take away 4 equals 4. If you don't remember that it's a double, you can always grab the 8, count backwards 4, grab the 4, count up to the 8. 5 birds are in a tree. Something happens. Cat comes. Now 2 birds are in a tree. How many birds left? You can grab the 5, count backwards 2. Grab the 2, count up to the 5. Either way, it's 3. That you have the idea. Okay. You have to do this page. And you can choose to do this page or this page. Or you can do both of them. I'm not going to stop you from doing both, but you don't have to do both. You can do this one or that one. Okay? Good luck.